Today's topic is the biggest mistakes every hobby game developer makes and how to avoid it. Want to build your own game, your own app, or the next big thing? Cool. But before you get started, here are the biggest mistakes we've all made. Yep, me too. And trust me, you don't want to repeat them. 1. The classic. Thinking too big. I'll start small, with an open-world RPG featuring crafting, multiplayer, AI opponents, and moral decisions. Easy, right? Are you kidding me? No, that's not easy. You want to build the next Skyrim, even when you just know how to build a key function. I once wanted to build a survival game. With crafting, a day-night cycle, dynamic weather, a hunger and thirst system, and, of course, an epic story with moral choices. After 3 weeks, I had a tree. It couldn't do anything. It just stood there. But hey, it had a shadow. The shadow was the wrong way around, but at least it was progress. What I'd recommend is, start with a mini project. Pong, Snake, a to-do manager. The main thing is to get it done. 2. No planning, just code. You think, I don't need a plan, I have visions. And then, you have 17 scripts with names that look like a time travel experiment. Main_old, main_new, main_final, main_final_final, main_final_final_final_final_backup. You make the mistake of starting to code without knowing what you actually want to build. I once made a game where I forgot how the controls worked because I rebuilt them 3 times. Make a few sketches, a flowchart, or just a list before you begin. What should this thing be able to do? What's nice to have? 3. Feature creep. Or as I call it, from mini project to monster. Just one more little feature, and another, and another. And suddenly your calculator is also a calendar, a chatbot, and a minesweeper. You keep building, but you never finish. I wanted to make a simple quiz. In the end, I had a level system, achievements, and a shop system, but no quiz. Set yourself a feature limit. Anything beyond that goes into version 2.0, or in the trash. 4. Not testing equals not knowing. I don't need tests, I just click through everything. Until you're sitting there, at 2 a.m., trying to figure out why the button only works when tapped with the left thumb, but only at 80% battery level. Such errors occur when you don't debug, don't test, and work without structure. Learn how to test early on, even if it's annoying. 5. Wanting to do everything alone. I don't need anyone, I'm a one-man army. But it would be better for you to take the ancient Romans as your role model and internalize their slogan, divide and conquer, instead of one-man army. You want to do everything yourself, code, design, sound, marketing. But then, you spend 3 hours working on an icon for the back button? Ridiculous. Instead, you should use assets, templates, and open-source projects. Or, collaborate with others. I thought, I'd do the UI design myself. In the end, it looked like an Excel form from 2003, only with more colors and less functionality. 6. Comparing too much, doing too little. I'll watch 20 tutorials first, and then I'll get started. You'll never get started. You consume more than you produce. Learn by doing. Tutorials are great, but only if you get started yourself afterwards. So, if you recognize yourself in any of these mistakes, welcome to the club. We've all been there. The important thing is, keep going. Even better, learn from your mistakes and keep going.